This is easy, y'all. Alright. Why is it so hard to open? New products are supposed to be fun. The fuck? There's like this plastic sticker keeping me from opening my primer. Rude. Hey humans, welcome back to my channel. It's Emma. Thank you so much for being here today and clicking on this video. I know you don't have to be here, so I do appreciate your time. But today we have this purple look right here. A lot of you guys have requested this with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Palette. So I hope you guys will enjoy this, and if there are any other bright colorful looks you guys would like me to see, I am more than willing to do that for you guys. I can do more than a bronzy eye, I promise. If you guys want to see how I create this look, or you like videos like this, then go ahead and stick around, and make sure before you leave that you go ahead and click that subscribe button, like below, and leave me any comments of anything you guys would like to see. Alright, so starting off with my eyes, my base is obviously already done and my eyebrows are done. If you haven't already seen my brow video or my foundation video, I will link them down below so you can check those out, but I'm not trying to waste all your day doing that. So first, as I probably said in the intro, everyone wants to see a purple look with my Zodiac palette, the same look I had in my brow video. So nothing new here, same palette you guys have seen before and in my favorites video last week. But for today's look, I'm going to be using only this. I am going to be using the white color from the Laura Lee palette, because if you guys saw whenever I first used this in my Get Ready With Me, there is no cream shade to set my primer with, and I can't live like that. So today we're going to be focusing with Cancer. Which other one was it? Oh yeah, Cancer, Gemini, and then these purple shades right in here. If there's any other color combos you guys want to see with this, like a green look or anything like that, obviously comment down below. If you want to see it, you're gonna see it. Before we jump into that palette, I am going to prime my eyes. You guys know that I don't like primers on my eye. But I won a contest at work, and I won this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. It is the only eye primer that I've ever used and didn't hate. So I'm going to start with that, and we'll see, because I am using a lot of glitter shades and bright colors, so that is when you would use it. So I'm just going to open this guy up. He has like a little doe foot applicator, but he doesn't really have product on him right now, so let's put him back in there and okay, there we go. So then I'm just going to dab a little bit of that on my eyes. This packaging I like better than I did originally when it was just like a squeezy tube, but I can say that for doing other people's makeup, this is way more unsanitary, so, you know, whatever. And the top is really cute. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like crystally, so anything crystals I appreciate. My brother just texted me. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but my brother came up here right before me and Spencer went to North Carolina, and he came with his best friend, and they've decided to move up to Portland from Austin like I did, so I'm super excited, and he will be here Monday night, he just said, about 11 o'clock, and then they're spending the week here in Portland again with us, and they're gonna look for jobs and stuff, and I'm just, if anyone has ever moved across the country and then their family starts coming with them, you'd understand, but it's such a good feeling. Now that I have that primer all blended out, I'm going to take my Laura Lee Los Angeles Cat's Pajamas palette. I'm going to take this first color right here in Okie Dokie, which is the best white cream matte shade I've ever used in my entire life. Alright, so brought you in a little bit closer so you can see what's going on, but I'm just going to take some of that Okie Dokie shade and set it everywhere. I'm going to put shadow, and anywhere that I put primer. This is just going to soften the primer and everything else, so whenever I do start putting the, you know, the purple and the different colored shades on top, I'm not going to have such a difficult time blending, because especially when you have color that bright, you don't want to, you need to be blended. Now that all that primer has been set, we are finally going to jump into the Zodiac palette, starting with Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there that this brush is disgusting, but I already used it for this look, so I'm just gonna keep it as my purple brush. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pink matte shade right here that is above Virgo, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade and blend it all over. Explain to me why this pigment just like builds so easily. Like doing a look like this would honestly traumatize me. Except for this palette just works so good that it is not. It's so easy. Now that our transition has been laid, I am going to use my blending brush from Royal & Langnicker. And I am going to start with this purpley fuchsia color right here above Leo. And then I'm just going to dab in there and start building that up everywhere I just put that transition shade. I'm not gonna lie, like this video was requested many times, and of course if you guys requested I'm going to do it, but I was not really looking forward to it. I have a couple other videos I'm gonna film, like me doing my makeup with my opposite hand and me doing Spencer's makeup, and this whole weekend I've been like, oh, I'm just gonna do those, I don't want to do that one, and I don't know, I thought it was gonna be horrible because I didn't remember doing my makeup that morning, but like, this is easy, y'all. Also, I just want to apologize to all of you guys who actually watch my videos, which is like, 5 of you, because my hair always looks like a big old trash can in my videos, but you see, I film on my days off, and putting makeup on my day off is already hard enough because I just want to lay around and look disgusting and not leave my home, but I do it for you guys. So one day I will actually do my hair and you guys will see that I don't always look like a trash can. But now that our crease is kind of set, I am going to take an e.l.f. shadow brush, and I'm going to dip into this Cancer color right here. Also, I'm going to apologize about my trash can nails because we saw the Avengers, and if you've seen the Avengers, you know that the end will make you really sad, and I've bit all my nails off. I don't know what to tell you. We're going to cut our crease with this guy. Alright, and your cut crease line for your shadow does not have to be perfect because we are going to go over that line one more time. So we have that Cancer shade all over. I look disgusting. Embrace it. Anyway, now we're going to dip into this purple shade right here above Taurus, and I'm going to dip in and mix it with that Leo color we used before and transition it into that Cancer shade. Putting that around the edges of that blue. And then of that line we made, this right here. And then I'm just going to buff it along and deepen that crease while blending the Cancer shade in. Now that you can see that I put that just lower in the crease, that original fuchsia purple shade and then the pink, you can see that nice gradient, and I haven't even started blending it yet. So that's definitely what you want, especially with a more intense color look like this, because you want everything at the very end to blend really flawlessly. I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other eye now. Now that that is done, we're going to throw some color on the bottom lash line. I'm going to jump in with this Gemini color right here, this light blue. And I'm going to tap into him. I'm going to dip this guy right here into my inner corner. This is such a pretty inner corner shade, like even if you're doing just like a neutral warm eye, because I feel like it's almost white, but it has that blue reflect to it, so it's like kind of silvery. It's just so pretty. And then we're just going to carry this on your outer or on your lower lash line, that outer part, and just connect it a little bit right there. We're gonna jump back into that Okie Dokie shade. We're gonna trace out the look everywhere we're gonna want blended. So we're gonna go right here under the brow. Gonna go all the way around underneath our brow. This is also going to set where we carved out our brow before we did our eyes, so we definitely like that. We're gonna cut this line right out here. Hold it. And just bring that down a little bit right there. Dip a little bit more into Okie Dokie, and then start blending. And using a very, very light hand and small circular motions, we're just going to blend that purple shade out so you can't see any line. Then I'm just going to use my ring finger just to finish up, just because it is a harsher color. And I feel like it's necessary sometimes to use your hands. So, yeah. I feel. Eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and throw on my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my eyes are done, mascara is on. Don't zoom in on this eye because apparently I lost a patch of lashes at some point, and it won't fill in.
Wait, shut up.
You see me on it?
Yeah, I did.
I don't know how that happened. I stopped using makeup wipes months and months ago because I realized it was ripping my eyelashes out. I've been using super gentle cleansers in the shower. I don't even know. Whatever. I just have something going on. But besides that, I think it turned out good. I was able to recreate it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I would say this is a good springy summer look for sure. It doesn't honestly take much time just because the Zodiac palette does blend so well and the pigment is right there. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and leave me a comment below on what you would like to see next. I am more than happy to take in any kind of criticism you guys have and change my channel, make it better for you guys because I make the videos for you, obviously. But yeah, go ahead and click like below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your little piece of the internet. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next Monday.